If you want it, you got it. You know how I'm rocking. They never could stop it. It's stuffed in my pocket. I go up for the score and they never could.
Yeah, it's 11:30 and I'm here up late to make this video for y'all, and I hope you guys like the video, bro. So today I'm gonna show you guys the products I use or how I maintain these little twists right here. So yeah. So first, these are the stuff that you're gonna need, or the stuff I use right here. This, I don't know if you guys can, the same stuff as before. And today, I just been using a little bit of Cantu. I don't know if you got a little bit of Cantu right here. There you go. A little bit of that when my hair gets dry or whatever. And then coconut oil right here. Coconut. I don't know if you guys can see that, but coconut oil. Damn. But yeah, and obviously a sponge. Yeah. So that's all. That's, you're only gonna need 4 items, and that's like I just told you. So let's get to it. So like the type of haircut I have is a drop fade. Like a drop fade. There you go. Yeah, it's a drop fade. And when I first started my my twist order, like I had like, I think it was like 2 days ago, or like 4 or 5 days ago, like I had did some twist myself. Then they would like keep on coming out because they wasn't tight enough. So I went and did I did some 2-strand twists, and then after that, then I just like sponge it all up. Then they came out like that. And yeah, so I had a man for like a week now. I started my little twist like a week now, and I had to restart because I went to what's that called, Aquatica or whatever it was. Yeah, I went there and my hair got wet, so I had to restart it all over again. So yeah, but yeah, so first you're gonna use your sponge, bro. And yeah, for it to start, your hair gonna have to be like nappy or dry, not too dry, but nappy, so it can form and twist better. So yeah, your hair gonna have to be nappy, and then you just use a sponge. You can apply the coconut oil to it. You apply the coconut oil to it like this. Or you can just add water to it, like a little bit of water. Then you just like this, and then you just twist, like go around your hair the same way that you twist your own hair. So if you twist the same way you twist, the same way you gotta sponge it. Because if you sponge the opposite way, they gonna come out. So you gotta twist the same way. So you gotta sponge your hair the same way you twist it, or the same way you start twisting it. But yeah, so like, right here, a little twist. Look, I don't know if you guys can see it, but right here, I still got my little 2-strand twist in here, and right here. I got one more, and right here. Yeah. So I still got a couple still in there. But yeah, after you done sponge your hair for like a good little minute, and get it to how you want it to look. So how you want your hair to look. After all that, then you grab your natural lock gel, the beeswax. You just grab your beeswax and you just apply that much or more. If your hair is longer, you add more. If your hair is shorter, you just add that much. But you rub it into the palm of your hands. But yeah, it's not gonna show whiteness, just like greasy palms. Then you just apply it to your hair. Then you just apply it to your hair. Just apply it slowly. Go back and forth. And your hair gonna get messed up a little bit, but it's all good. Then you go back with your sponge and you sponge it up. You sponge it up some more. Sponge it all up, bro. So yeah, that's all there is to it. And if you feel like your hair is too dry, just add a contour to it, man. That's all you gotta do, man. Just add some conditioner to your jump, bro. Like, just add some conditioner to your hair. I barely put any of this on my hair. Like I put it sometimes. Some like every 3 days. I put some in my hair. But yeah, this is what you want. This. The braids and a sponge, bro. That's basically all you're gonna need, bro. And of course, like, I don't know if some of you guys are still in school or whatever, but yeah, like if you're in class and like you ain't got none that's doing class or you're just bored, just grab your hair, man, just start twisting it, bro. Like, just keep on twisting it. Make sure that you twist the same way you sponge your hair, bro. That's all you gotta do, bro. Just twist. Yeah. Twist, man. You grab another one and you just twist. Keep on twisting. And you keep doing it till all your hair is as you want it, like this. You grab a piece and you just twist it. Like, it's not that hard, bro. But yeah, that's all I got for you today. Hair update. 360. See? 360, bitch. Let me stop playing. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys tonight. Check back again for another vid. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I'm out, bitch.